Hello, everyone. My name is Michael Mariola, and I have been the baseball coach at Green Hope for 19, going on 20 years. I've been coaching baseball overall at the high school level for 26 years now, and I'm excited about the future of Green Hope. If you are interested, or your son or daughter is interested in playing baseball at Green Hope, then I'd love it if you send me a message, and there's my email right there. There's also our team website that has all kinds of information, including past players and their accomplishments and our team accomplishments and records and all our stats and all of that. So it's a pretty thorough website if anyone is interested in going to that. And especially during the season, we will be tweeting out a lot at that Twitter handle. So that should give you a little bit of information and contact information on us. In terms of the past, just to give you some context, our team has had quite a bit of success in the years since 2002. And you can see an overall record of 333 and 136. We made the playoffs every year in that period. So over 19 years, we made it actually 17 times since there was no playoffs in this past year. We've had a ton of players go on to play at the college or university level, and 10 former players have been drafted by Major League Baseball. So there's a lot of our accomplishments there we're quite proud of. We have roughly 45 players interested in playing baseball this spring, and while this season's a little different, we are going to be starting workouts in the next week or so. And then just based on the weather, this spring, this winter, we'll be having a couple of workouts a week, February and March. Our season begins April 12th, and we'll be playing a shortened season due to COVID, starting with regular season games on April 26th. So if anyone is interested in coming out for the team this year, please get in touch with me right away so we can get you added to the preseason workouts. And if anybody is potentially going to be a student at Green Hope in 2021, 2022, then again, contact me. I'll be asking for some information in terms of positions and other contact information. But we have plenty of time to worry about next year, but I'll be there, and I keep records and information in terms of who is interested in playing in the future. So anybody interested in Green Hope baseball, just shoot me an email, and I'd love to hear from you. And again, let me know if you have any questions. Thank you so much, and all the best.